Hello and welcome to Explore, Tinker, Taste, Repeat. I'm Aaron. Today we're making a blueberry and lemon old fashioned, so let's get going. Blueberries have always been one of my favorites ever since I was a little kid, and now I get to incorporate them in my drink of choice. Simple syrup, just a teeny bit, because I like the sweetness from the blueberry and to not hinder the bourbon at all. So we're just going to give a little touch. There we go. And then today we're going to use orange bitters instead of regular bitters to bring out that blueberry flavor. As we all know, citruses tend to help along with that blueberry or get the flavors out of other fruits. A couple of drops of that. And then we're going to take this little guy, this little lemon. You see I can use this one already. And again, just peel off a little bit of that rind, and again, as thin as you possibly can. Your own preference on how much you want. I like a good amount of lemon zest, and we're going to actually muddle this all together to help incorporate those flavors and really get the flavor out of the blueberry and the lemon zest together. Make sure you got a sharp knife. Cut away from yourself. Don't go by my example. Alright, so you got your lemon zest in there, your bitters, your simple syrup, a couple of blueberries already pre-washed. We're going to throw those all in the cup. And we're going to mash them. You can mash them completely. You can leave them somewhat whole. I don't mind a little I guess you would say grittiness in my drink. Clean that off so we get all that blueberry essence in there. That's kind of what you're left with, a little mash. From there, a little swirl here. Make sure we're good and mixed up. Today we're going with some Blade and Bow. Recently picked this up. Fabulous as is. Not super sweet for bourbon whiskey. Just good all around. I thought the flavors would mix really well with this cocktail. Also why I didn't use as much simple syrup, because it doesn't really need to be sweetened that much, as it's a great flavor as is. Again, nice healthy pour of this. It's Friday here. Nice afternoon. Good week. Put that in there. Got myself 3 cubes, but I think I'm just going to go with 2 today. Of course, I forgot a spoon, so we're just going to use the knife, because why not? So here you have it. Blueberry and lemon zest old fashioned. Cheers to you. Thanks for watching. That's a good one. You definitely pull out some of those blueberry flavors. You can definitely get some of that lemon zest in there. A trick for anybody trying spirits to get the full essence of a beverage. You can either leave your mouth open while you smell, and to get a little bit. Another trick I recently picked up, closing one nostril, smelling, because each nostril has strengths and weaknesses, if you will. Just a little tidbit along with a fancy drink. Happy drinking. Be safe. Enjoy. I hope you'll subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. Have a good one.